TubeBuddy is a browser extension plugin that's packed with amazing features to help creators build their YouTube channel. But did you know that a lot of those features are available for free within the free TubeBuddy plan? And there are excellent resources for helping you get more views, build your subscribers, and grow your channel. Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to Greenhaus Digital. My passion is to help you cultivate your YouTube presence and grow your YouTube channel with tutorials, guides, tips and tricks, and loads of free tools. So if this is your first time and sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then why not consider subscribing and make sure to hit the notification bell, and you'll get a notification every time a new video is uploaded. When you're just starting out your channel, getting more views, growing your audience, and increasing the number of subscribers your channel has is an impossible quest at times. But TubeBuddy has loads of fantastic tools to help you in that quest. So if you've not yet been introduced to TubeBuddy, let's have a look at exactly what it is. TubeBuddy describes itself as a free browser plugin which integrates to YouTube and gives you the ease of managing your YouTube channel. All you need to do to get up and running is download the plugin, enable it within your browser, and link it to your YouTube email account. You'll be up and running in no time, and TubeBuddy will be helping you with your YouTube channel management. And what does it have? Well, it's a suite of more than 60 individual tools that allow you greater access and control over your channel, your content, and gives you loads of productivity improvements, making it quicker, easier, and far simpler to both create your videos and upload them. TubeBuddy has 3 different price points available for memberships or licenses, and the lowest one of which, called the Pro, in fact is specifically designed for small creators. You can get a 50% discount off of the monthly subscription fee if you have less than 1,000 subscribers to your channel. So it's well worth exploring if you're in that category. But more than 30 of the 60 available tools are in fact available to users in the free starter license, and half of those are available with unlimited access. And so in this video, we're going to look specifically at 4 of those tools available to the free license that will specifically help you to get more views and grow your subscriber base, and also build your channel. So the first thing we're going to look at is the ability and functionality to view and copy video tags. So what is this? Literally, as it says on the can, it's a way to have a look at the tags that are associated with other videos on YouTube. And you can both see them and then also copy them all together and use them for yourself. But why would you want to do that? Well, it's very simple. Why not make use of the tags that other popular videos have used in getting views and getting rankings? You can also see what your competitors are using on their videos. Well, if you're in the same niche, then maybe you want to have a look at what those tags are. The other thing that you can do is have a look at topic ideas that might come out of the tags that your competitors or popular videos are using. So being able to see these tags is fantastic. Being able to copy them and use them within your own videos is even better. One of the tools and functions that I use extensively within my video production is the keyword research tool, or the keyword explorer as TubeBuddy likes to call it. What is it? Well, this is a keyword research tool that allows you to see both the search volume as well as the competition on particular keywords. And why would you want to do that? Well, YouTube themselves within their YouTube Academy tell us that to estimate relevance, we look into many factors, such as how well the title, tags, description, and video content match the search query. So with tags being an important part of your metadata for your video, along with titles and descriptions, it's important that you know and understand the available search volume for that key phrase, as well as the competition that's out there, because you want to ensure that your topic is something that is going to be searched for and that there's not going to be a lot of competition in the market, so that you can ensure you are both found and rank easily, even against other larger channels that may not be ranking for that specific search term. So the Keyword Explorer is a fundamental part of TubeBuddy, and it's available within their free license. You can use up to 25 keyword researches a day, so there is a limitation, and some of the parts of the tool are restricted, but still you can get a lot of value from the keyword research tool in TubeBuddy. Having found all the tags that are appropriate for your channel and which you know you can score really well with for your videos, well, TubeBuddy has another thing that can help you, and that's tag lists. These operate very much like the upload defaults that YouTube already gives you, but YouTube only gives you one such upload default. TubeBuddy gives you 3 in the free version and unlimited in the other license types where you'd be paying for. So with those 3 free tag lists, you can set up different lists that allow you to set these against specific videos. And why would you be doing that? Well, you want consistency. You want to make sure that you are using the same well-scoring tags on your videos, and perhaps you're using them across different areas or different subtopics within your niche, and this 3 tag lists allow you to match particular tags against different topics within your genre. It's also much quicker and easier to ensure that you're using consistent tags for each of your videos or different areas of your videos. And that's important. You want to be scoring regularly against the same topics. YouTube will recognize that your channel is an expert on those topics, and these tag lists absolutely help you to achieve that. And the fourth feature we're looking at is the emoji picker. Have you ever wondered how people are getting emojis into their titles and video descriptions? Well, it's very easily done with TubeBuddy's emoji picker. Well, why would you do this? Well, you want to stand out. Remember, your title is the thing that people see when they're finding your video in search lists or suggested, and you want to stand out from your competition and increase your click-through rate. And emojis within your title and video description will certainly help you stand out from the crowd. Use the TubeBuddy emoji picker. It's absolutely free within the free license, and you can use it unlimited, and it will absolutely help you to stand out. TubeBuddy is an incredible suite of tools that is useful for creators of all size channels, but especially for creators with small channels that are just growing. And I would highly recommend that you download it if you haven't yet done so. And if you want to download it, then do use the link that's available in the video description below. That'll take you to TubeBuddy. You'll be able to download the browser plugin from that link. Also remember to check out their Pro license. That's the beginner license that offers you a 50% discount if your channel has less than 1,000 subscribers. But as we've just seen, a lot of the features are available within the free license, and it's well worth exploring them within that free license before making the decision to start paying for a membership. If you've got value from this video, then do please give it a like. YouTube always appreciates a video with high levels of engagement. And if you would like to see more YouTube growth strategy, tips, tricks, and tutorials videos in the future, then remember to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, from myself, Mike, be well, stay safe. Goodbye.